Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Lamdi Paradise. Today I am sowing radish seed in milk boxes. Let's start. First we prepare the soil. Mix organic compost 1/3 ratio. Add some wood ash and mix well. Last winter season I grow radishes in milk boxes and the experience is very well. So in this season I want to share with you. Hope you will like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. I am using milk boxes. Make hole in the bottom before filling the boxes. Fill boxes very well. Like my video? Winter veggies needs sunlight, so keep it in sunlight area. They need 6 hour sunlight. Take radishes seeds, so deep in 1 inch apart. Water them. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.